Welcome back. The famous Kolva farm was celebrated on Monday. Thousands of devotees converged at the 400-year-old Our Lady of Mercy's Church at Kolva to seek the blessings of Minin Jesus. Happy Farmer to all.
The feast is celebrated every year on the second Monday of October. It begins with High Mass. It is followed by the solemn ceremony. Celebrated with much religious fervour, the Fama is neither the feast nor the novena, but a special day after which the novenas commence to ultimately conclude with the church feast to be held on October 25th.
पयले म्हणल्यार आमचे हिंगा जायते मिरेकल्स जाता ताजे वरवीं दुसऱ्या भावाचेर जायते मेवता आनी अशे जायत्यो आंगणो परगडटा आनी आजुनूच ताजे वर्साक कितलींच आंगणो जातात आनी ते आमकां भेटोणी आपले बावली वात्यो आनी खुमशे पासून सॉक्स हे हाडून आमकां घडयतात.
Devotees of all faiths flocked to the Fama. Devotees offer wax shaped into different body parts of the Fama. Most common among the devotees is childless married couples who wish to conceive. Couples who have conceived place their baby on the altar during the revered Umau. A reporter from Kolva, Samir Bhatt.
Now news from sports. Vivek Kolambkar has been replaced as Goa's Ranji Coach by Dodda Ganesh. Goa Cricket Association Secretary Chetan Desai told Prudent Kolambkar was under stress and hence they decided to release Kolambkar off Ranji duties. There are just 3 weeks ahead of Goa before their Ranji campaign kicks off, but Chetan feels this change will not affect the players. Meanwhile, former Sri Lankan pacer Nuwan Joyce's services to Goan cricket is unsure.
It was around 4 years back when this man, Dodda Ganesh, was Goa's coach, under whom Goa had a fair amount of success. Now, Secretary feels former India player will be the right man to replace Vivek Kolambkar.
Mr. Vivek Kolambkar, who was our senior coach of Ranji, has opted out because of his stress. It has been so much stressful for him to coach these Ranji guys that he said that he would not be able to give his total commitment to the game of cricket, especially for Ranji. And that was the reason that we brought Dodda Ganesh, who has an experience with Goa team. Although he has very little time, but I'm sure he will do and try to do the best for Goa. Vivek Kolambkar has been shifted to under-19 squad so that he can be less of stress.
GC has, as you say, a little less time now to play with the composition from the coaching point of view, because the players will feel now that they have got a change in head, so they'll feel a little bit of a pressure on them from this side.
No, these are professional players. They are adapted and accustomed to any coach that they give, that we give. And probably with the kind of mentality the coach has, Dodda Ganesh has with these players, some of the players he knows very well. So they will adapt to themselves.
GCA are still in talks with former Sri Lankan pacer Nuwan Joyce to coach the Goan boys.
Nuwan Joyce also is there. Unless he comes here for sure that he is going to coach our team, we are still blank about it. But he has said that he will be coming. Once we get the commitment done with him, all the agreements, arrangements, then probably we'll think of Nuwan Joyce.
Chetan Desai has immense faith in Dodda Ganesh, and that's the reason he feels this will click.
I think the Goan public is well aware of Dodda Ganesh. Now that you have mentioned about Rajesh Kamath and Raghuram Bhatt, the kind of wins Dodda has given to Ranji level, I don't think any other coach has done that.
With video journalist Prajot Pednikar, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Porvorim.
Dodda Ganesh is all set to take over the reins from Vivek Kolambkar. Goan players have little over 3 weeks before the Ranji Trophy begins. but the former India player takes this as a challenge and is confident of delivering results. Dodda Ganesh sees this as an opportunity to accomplish his unfinished dreams with the Goa squad, dreams that he had for Goa cricket when he was coach around 4 seasons back.
Second innings as a coach, how do you feel coming back to the Goa team?
I'm delighted. I'm really very happy. And first of all, I thank GCA. I had a goal to win. We didn't succeed winning not, but we reached semi-finals. Then in Goan cricket, in the map, Indian map, reached in like somewhere.
You feel this is personally you will take this as an opportunity to finish those unfinished dreams of yours you had last time around?
Excellent. Yeah, whatever you said is 100% right. Yeah, well, last time I had a goal to go to elite. I want to mainly, I'm from Karnataka, I want to play against Karnataka, I want to beat them, that is my motto.
But Dodda Ganesh has his plate full. The former India Test cricketer does not have much time on his hands.
You've been given this role. Don't you think it's going to be tough for you?
Nah, nothing. I gone through as a professional. This is real, my testing time also, my ability, everything. See, now cricket is a lot of tournaments is going on, no excuse, nothing. See, no IPL also people playing. When they finish IPL, again they come and play domestic cricket. When they finish domestic cricket, they play India, they're touring. No, it's for excuse, no times. Whenever we get a golden opportunity, golden time, we try to utilize that golden opportunities and give result.
Assistant coach Prashant Mayekar is the cog between outgoing coach Vivek Kolambkar, incoming coach Dodda Ganesh and the players. But Mayekar says the change in head coach doesn't affect the players.
There is not much change in the players. Now these people, our players are very much happy to see Dodda coming back because he has played a test match and they know what he has done for Goa for 3 years back. And he has really worked very hard and they are happy now to work with Dodda Ganesh.
Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Porvorim.
If you have missed a bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.
गावकारानो जाया जागे
नमस्कार. जायत जागे प्रोग्रामांत अरविंद भेटेकार तुमकां परतून येवन नमस्कार करता. हो प्रोग्राम आमी सुमार 3 वर्सां फाटीं बंद केल्लो आनी तेन्ना गोंयचे लोक जागेच जायना म्हणून आमकां कंटाळून तो आमी बंद केल्लो. पूण मागीर इलेक्शन जालें, तातूंत अर्द्या वयर गोंयचे लोक जागे जाले अशें आमकां दिसून आयलें. पूण आतां त्या लोकांक जागे दवरपा जाय, परतून सुस्त न्हिदपा जायना म्हणून हो प्रोग्राम आमी परतून सुरू केला.
दर आयतारा जायत जागे पळोवपाक विसरू नाकात. दनपारां 1:30, 3:30 आणि रातीक 10:30 वरांचेर. मंगळारा सकाळीं 10:30 आणि साने वेळार 8:30 वरांचेर. बेरेस्तारा दनपारां 2:30 आणि साने वेळार 6:30 वरांचेर.